हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका टफ स्टोरी के एक छोटे से पार्ट में जो हमारे बड़े पॉडकास्ट का एक स्पेशल हाईलाइट है। अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आए तो पूरा पॉडकास्ट जरूर देखें, लिंक आपको मिल जाएगी डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया के अंदर।
So I would bunk classes and then go to the lab. See, and then so the computer science department, क्या बोलते थे? Lab ही था.
Computer lab.
They knew me, so they would never say no to me. कोई सी class किसी batch का चल रहा तो my computer will be given access.
Your parents were pretty cool. कुछ डांटे नहीं है।
उनको पता नहीं था ये सब ना, वो बहुत बाद में पता चला कि
स्कूल अच्छी थी।
स्कूल बहुत अच्छा था। हाँ, so they never escalated to my parents की, because I think they would have seen कि बंदा खेल तो नहीं रहा, लैब में बैठा हुआ है। तो my principal never said, they liked me, they really liked my computer science skills. Oh, there's a story to it also.
Computer science तोपते ना,
so they would love, yeah. But there's a great story to it also. I'll tell you class 10 story. So yeah, so I used to write on a piece of paper, then bunk classes, and then look at the paper and write code, right? So like that sort of C में turbo C आता था ना blue color का, वो turbos में लिखते थे हम. So now it is where I could just close my eyes and type. I can the entire code without syntactical error, right? Because I got so used to the typing speed went up and that became feedback loop. बाकी बच्चे जाते थे कि भैया आप कितना fast type करते हो. Like,
are you still coding?
Oh yeah, every day. I can't live without coding.
Oh, nice.
Like that is my meditation or whatever. I zone, मतलब it transcends you beyond the chaos of the reality.
You feel like you have achieved something.
It just it's a passion and a shield as well. So जब भी कर जाता है जिंदगी में तो you just put your headphones
Focus on and you forget everything else.
And yeah, everything just disappears, right? Like the magic of the data flow. You get the point that the way flow charts emerge, right? So I remember project another school में 12th में. So I'm just fast forwarding a story. I'll come back to the class 10 again. 12th में we had this project to do. This was 2004. तब then Windows था obviously आ गया था and all that. And I thought, okay, MS Word, you know, right? MS Word 2004 चल रहा था उस time. So I thought I'll recreate MS Word in Turbo C. The entire MS Word in Turbo C. So in DOS. So that is what I decided. And I just didn't know where to start. Like शुरू कैसे करो, because I've never.
तो पहले font से शुरू होगा कहीं.
No, more than.
क्या करना है font का?
But more than fonts in MS Word, you could write reams of paper. मतलब paper बोल रहे हैं. Reams of document, a large document, a small document, and you can do page. मतलब आपने कुछ पेज ले enter, it goes to the next document, and somehow the file size adapts to the amount of content you have typed. Right? आप जितना टाइप किया उतना ही file size होता है, right? And even if it's a 1 GB file or a 1 megabyte or 1 kilobyte file, when you click on it, it opens fast. Right? That was very hard, and that's a fundamental, right? How do you architect storage, right? And first, and उस time आता नहीं था, I had no clue what is malloc, right? वो 11th हम लोग उसे पढ़ा नहीं गया था, so we knew fixed array, static array. So I didn't, like, you don't really know user को कितना type करना है, but I have to let him type anything he or she wants.
Stack Overflow होगा.
Yeah, like how do you even create that memory? I can't create a 102 or whatever. So like define an array of 1 GB, right? वो allow नहीं करता था computer that back in the day. So that it really hurt me like for months together. I remember once I was sleeping. And
you didn't have that book Cunningham and Ritchie KNR का?
For me, I never. Books were always an afterthought for me, right?
अगर कुछ काम नहीं करता तो okay, now look at the book.
Now look at the book. I'm not a person who can study the book and learn. वो होता नहीं मेरे से.
Reading manual पहले नहीं जाता. वो last thing है, जब problem आया तभी देखना.
हाँ, जब कुछ नहीं हो रहा ना तब
That's a good way because you have applied the best of your mind and now when you read अटक जाएगा दिमाग में.
Yes, एकदम fit बैठ जाता है, right? And you never forget that. So I remember, I knew static arrays, right? Pointers पता था, static array पता था. Then I was sleeping. Middle of the night, I get this dream. Okay.
Benzene was discovered in a dream.
Benzene.
The benzene structure.
I have a tattoo of benzene on my arm.
Oh, really?
I love the structure C6H6. That was one of I used to be great in organic chemistry, and my favorite compound was C6H6. So yeah, benzene. Sorry, go on.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes you're working on something for a long time. वो दिमाग में रह जाता है and your dreams will also revolve around that.
Yes. We will remember like in the dream there was a character came and there was an arrow mark and then a next character came and then the arrow mark. So I could see, okay, now that it was linked list, I saw
Yeah.
like I didn't know what linked list is. So I thought, okay, what if I define one RSIs and then wahan pe I have a pointer which points to one more entity, and every time the user types a letter, I just create one more thing and point an arrow towards it. Right? That is, and that.
I told you this podcast was going to be very technical.
I was stuck in the dreams part because I keep trading in my dreams every day. इनफैक्ट कल मैंने बहुत बड़ा लॉस किया, बट देन फिर सोचा कि ये ड्रीम ने रियलिटी में ट्रम्प
So yeah, that.
Whatever we do actively, कितना
You are living your dream.
Living your dream. Yeah, so you're right. When you're blindly in love with something, वही अगर जिंदगी में पहली बार प्यार होता है ना, तो आपकी पार्टनर का चेहरा ही और शी हमेशा हर जगह आपको दिखता है. बोलते हैं ना कि हर the other gender starts looking at the same face.
Right.
भाई ये सब तो हनीमून पीरियड है.
But falling in love with that experience, a blind in love wala experience, right? So yeah.
So I'm guessing you will not sleep properly also some days. You will wake up in
उस time age भी अच्छा
early
था ना.
morning.
Not early morning. I'm a late. मतलब I would
Okay.
wake up the whole night. And
Stay
then-
up all the whole
So yeah, I used to wake up, write the code. I remember. So I wrote this code where there was a linked list for letters. Then there was a linked list for font size, font color, and font family. There were like four linked
वो
lists.
dream में आया.
हाँ, and literally the four things like I could see them forming in front of my eyes. Right? कि font कैसे करना? आपने तो बोला था ना कि storage के बाद how do you because every font can be different in MS Word,
Yeah.
right? And so that sort of came, and then everything was history.
What if
There's a-
Neuralink comes in and what if Neuralink comes in, the Elon Musk thing, and that converts your dreams into reality?
No, I
it
agree.
saves everything, and then you get up in the morning. कल रात में मैंने अच्छे सपने देखे थे, ये सब execute कर दो.
It's a
possibility, right?
It is possibility, but then at the scale of it is scary as well, right? Not everybody knows how to interpret the dreams. So where I come from is have you read Sigmund Freud ka interpretation of dreams?
नहीं मैं तो नहीं
You have to.
Okay.
So he's like the godfather of
Yeah.
the psychology, right? And it's very raw. His opinions are very raw. Either you would hate him or you love him, right? There's no कि हाँ ठीक ठाक बंदा है ऐसा नहीं बोलोगे आप. Read his book Interpretation of Dreams. It'll blow your mind away.
Okay.
I would,
पड़ेगा.
yeah, I would not double click on it, but then yeah, please do read it. It'll change your mind because many times we have nightmares. We have dreams that we don't like. But then once you read the book, your perspective about those things will also change.
Okay.
Right? And I don't think if Neuralink will be able to solve that. That's why I brought it up. Because what you see is the dream is the outcome of the neural
All
activity
your
that is
daily
happening.
your deep
Deep subconscious
things,
and yes. So
all your deepest fears.
That manifest into the dream. What we finally see is the outcome, not the root cause behind.
Do you get dreams of failing in exams or being very ill prepared for
or
an
somebody's
exam?
dying, right? Or somebody's dying. We get the dreams. We are stuck in a fire or whatever that is, right? So we see those bad dreams as well. But what do they mean? और न्यूरलिंक उसको रियलिटी करने तो बहुत दिक्कत है.
बट हमें नहीं पता न्यूरलिंक कितना सच में कितना डेप्थ में. हमें तो बताया गया ही ये है. हो सकता है और अंदर भी हो सकता है वो.
True, possible, but then
maybe humans would fear and say no to it, so they're not revealing everything about it.
Also
Maybe that
true.
could be one way of doing it.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, if somebody can record the dreams, nothing like it. That'll be super awesome.
But they say they are only black and white.
True.
Dreams are black and white always.
Did you ever see a colorful dream? I mean, theme colorful रहेगा.
Theme colorful रहेगा, correct.
But visually आपको सपना black and white ही रहेगा. Deeply सोचना आज.
सोचना पड़ेगा.
उम्मीद है ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल और इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा. इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें और टफ स्टोरी को यूट्यूब और सारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर दीजिए. पूरा पॉडकास्ट देखने के लिए लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया में दे दी है, जहां पर जाकर जरूर चेक करें. ये था एक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो और मैं आपसे मिलता हूं हमारे अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.